Hello everyone. Today we are going to unbox the ink pocket planner combo that I have got quite a while back. Firstly we have a bill, then we have a nice little thank you note, then we have the planner. I'm just going to keep the planner aside. I think these are freebies. Let's see. Yes. Oh wow, this pouch looks really pretty. It is slightly rustic, off-white, and this is painted on. It feels like canvas and paint. Oh wow, there are more freebies inside of this. This is the trinket tray, if I'm not wrong. Oh wow, this is so pretty. This has pomegranates on it, and it says ink bucket. Then we have the New Year's greetings, Zodiac edition. So this is the New Year's greeting, Zodiac edition. So you have Aries. Oh nice. This is a small little note that is written for every sign. So this is Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. Let's see what else do we have. This canvas bag is also pretty. Then we have the desk calendar. Oh, it looks so nice. It has ribbon on the back. I checked out tons of other planners and I saw a lot of things coming up, but I went back to OG Ink Bucket because I'd used this planner back in 2018 and I loved it. I was just buying other planners just to see what is out there in the market, but I think I'm back to using just the Ink Bucket planners. I don't know what will I do next year, but this is what I'm doing this year. So this is really pretty. It says World Tour Calendar. Let's see. Oh wow. So this is London. This is Spain. This is Switzerland. This is Japan. Wow. And it is very well placed in terms of weather and location also. So May for Morocco, Bali for June, and we have, I think, Italy. Oh, this is Rome for July. There is France for August, Greece for September, Mexico for October, Netherlands for November, and New York for December. Very nice. And then we have the 2023 overboard calendar. It is huge. One thing to note this year, the boxes are not that great, or else I have always loved ink bucket boxes, but this year I don't feel the boxes are great. Let's see the planner box. I'm hoping it will be a better quality. There's one, I think, piece, there's a dice, and there are tons of X and zeros. There is also a card. So this is the calendar, and there are board games. We've seen this in the introductory video. So there are these board games which you can play, and there is enough space each day to write, and the artwork as usual is pretty. Wow. That is March. This is April. This is May. This is June. This is July. This is August, September, October, November, and we have December. So I really like this calendar. There are detailed instructions also, and absolutely no complaints. This will look really sleek. Now let's get into the planner. As I said, I think the boxes are quite flimsy. I can just feel it when I'm opening it. This is the big ticket to the year of killing it, 2023. This is a nice acetate. Then there is a sticker book. So here is the flip through of the sticker book. I think the first is travel themed. Then you have gifts theme. Then you have a general celebration, Christmassy kind of theme. Again, winter Christmas kind of theme. A lot of functional stickers, more functional stickers, work from home, appointment, some days of the week, some more work from home stickers. Then you have gardening stickers, and that's it. The sticker paper that they've used is a 3M sticker paper, so I'm assuming this is pretty good quality. I don't see 3M branding on any other sticker paper that comes in. And then we have the grand finale, the planner. This is the Good Life planner. The pictures that they show generally makes it look like powder blue. This is slightly dusty blue, which I am not complaining. I love this color. The gold foiling is also pretty decent. It is not jhatak in the face, so I really like that. There is this blue gingham print kind of thing. Then you have this planner belongs to. Then there is a note, obviously. 2023-2024 calendars. First, let's get 2022 in the books. So this is to figuring out your 2022. How did it go? What did you like? What did you not like? All of that. Confessions, year-end acceptance speech. A lot of looking back to 2022. Now let's make 2023 one for the books. So you have firstly vision board. Then we have, the paper quality is really good, and this is what I always liked Ink Bucket for, the paper quality. Then this is mark your date with destiny, essentially all essential dates in each and every month. Make your play, I think these are the goals. Work goals, personal goals, health goals, financial goals, relationship goals, other goals, priorities, habits to adopt, habits to cut, new skills to learn, do more of, do less of. So general intentions for the year. And they've pretty much given you a blank space, so you can do whatever year that you like. Essentially 12 boxes, empty ones, is what you have to look at. Then you have year at a glance. This I think is a new spread, and I've not seen this before. Then you have the month of January. As usual, Sundays are marked, and I think January is green themed. Yes, it is. Then you have for this month, and you set intentions for your month. You have 5 trackers. You have expense, top priorities, important dates, new things to try, doodles, notes and doodles. Then you have more notes page. This is also a blank space because I guess January starts on a Sunday. Then you have weekly reflections. Then you have Monday. Now Monday, this is a Monday start book, and then you have ruled lines here and dot grid here. You can actually write to-do lists or whatever here, and then here you can either journal or doodle or put a sticker, whatever you feel like. So this, I'm okay with this. On Saturday, Sunday are clubbed together. So this is not a journal per se. I won't use this as a journal, but this is a great to-do list tracker or a planner essentially. So here I'm thankful for, and then you have a weekly expense grid. Then you have work goals, personal goals, health and wellness plan. So here you can actually track exercise time, water, sleep, everything. Meal plan, shopping list, and brain dump thoughts. And again, that goes on. This will go on for days. Then you have February. This is March. This is April. This is May. This is June. This is July. This is August. September. October. Oh, I really love October. November. I don't see too many florals here. Ink Bucket is really famous for florals, but I see a lot of lifestyle here, which I'm not complaining. December, I see 2 ribbons as well, which are great. And at the end of December, let's see what we have. Wow, there are more stickers I can see. This is the end of December. I'm hoping, yes. Then you have monthly reflections. Oh, I completely forgot this. So at the end of every month, you will have monthly reflections. So monthly reflections will have progress so far, big challenges I overcame, setbacks I encountered, my renewed resolution for tomorrow. Then you have highlights of the year and then notes pages. Then you have about 3 pages of stickers. Again, these are work from home, more functional stickers. Then you have food and exercise, again mostly functional, not decorative. And this is again functional, but congratulations, Christmas, all of that. Again, as I said, the sticker quality looks good because they've used 3M paper. And at the end, I think this is a pocket, which I'm not able, yeah, this is a pocket, which again is slightly flimsy, but I'm not complaining. Let me see if the sticker book fits here. No, the sticker book does not fit. I may tear it, so I'm not even trying it at this point. So yes, the sticker book does not fit in. I don't know what will you put if the sticker book does not fit, but that's fine. So what are my thoughts? My end thoughts are, I really love the planner. It is a planner and it is not a journal. So if you're calling this for journaling purposes, I think there are other planners which are available. I see weekly reflections very, very standard. So I'm not happy with the kind of weekly reflections that there are. I'll just flip to one and I'll tell you what I'm... So I need more space. I don't want to track my weekly expenses here, very frankly. This has to be more. Even meal plan, I have, you guys know that I have a fridge magnet for my meal planning, so that goes there. My shopping list goes there. So this particular page, I have to modify to a large extent to make it work for me. So this is something that I'm not happy with. I'm not sure how much will I use these pages, but I will have 52 or 53 of these. So I'm not sure how I feel about this. That is one thing. I'm very happy with the month start for this month, intentions and agenda. I see only 5 trackers, which again I'm not happy with, because if you know me, I know I use a lot of trackers. So this again I'm not happy with. I don't know how will I deal with. I will have to add additional tracker pages or something like that at the start, or probably put a few tracker pages at the back pocket. So something like that I'll have to possibly use. So this is it. This was my review. Except the weekly pages, I really am not angry with anything. You will not be able to lug this around in your luggage or in your day-to-day purse, because it is fairly heavy. Other than that, it is super aesthetic. It is very well made. This is absolutely matte. I loved the calendar. I loved this particular planner. So I have no complaints as such. So let me recap what all did I get with the combo. With the combo that I bought was the planner, the desk calendar and the wall calendar. With this, the freebies that I got was this gorgeous canvas planner pouch, which I'm absolutely in love with. I got this trinket plate, the sticker book and the New Year's cards, which I will definitely distribute it amongst my friends. So they are really, really pretty. But this has to go out on New Year's, because everything on each and every card there is Happy New Year Sagittarius. So this will only be relevant for New Year's. So if you can't find a friend to give this, it will be only valid next year. So you better start giving out these cards or making a list who are you giving these cards to. So yeah, that is it. I think that is all that I have. One last thing that I want to try in this video is to try and fit the planner in this and see how does it go. One thing, that my planner pocket will be absolutely useless. That's fine. I'm okay with that. So yeah, this is, oh yes, see, this has to be folded, the ribbons, and this is it. Wow, it does not add to the weight. It looks very, very professional and very, very user friendly. I can actually open my book completely flat here and start using it. So I can see myself using this on a daily basis, and this is a great way to keep your planner safe and sturdy. There is a pen loop, there is a card holder, and there is a large pocket, and there is a button loop also, which also is looking pretty decent. So I'm in love with this organizer. I have no complaints whatsoever with this, and this is a good contraption even if you want to travel, say go to a cafe and do your work or something on that lines, which does not involve lugging around too many things, but just taking your bag. So this will keep your planners safe as well as secured. So I absolutely love this, and this can add as your wallet as well. So I really like that. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.